Today, we're going to explore how you can use Claude Code for vibe coding. Let's start by installing Claude Code using the official documentation. I've already installed it myself, but I'll leave the link in the description so you can follow along easily. Next, let's make sure our installation works correctly. Alright, now let's open VS Code and locate the Claude Code visual chat panel. You can find it by clicking on the default chat settings icon. Once you do, the Claude icon will appear. Go ahead and open it. Once the visual panel for Claude is open, let's type in our prompt. In the first step, we'll let Claude generate an implementation plan. We won't generate any code just yet. This step is all about planning. Before we move forward, let's authorize API usage. In my case, I'll choose the subscription option. Now, go back to VS Code and rewrite the same prompt. After generating the plan, let's open any chat agent panel. I'll use the VS Code chat panel. This is the key moment where we'll execute the plan generated by Claude Code and bring it to life. Once we paste our implementation plan, some actions will require approval, and it can be annoying to approve them one by one. So let's enable auto-approval to speed things up. Then let the agent continue executing the planned phases until it completes them automatically. Once the agent stops by itself, this means our planned phases are fully executed, and we can check our application working. Here we go! You can see a simple browser was opened showing my application after running the project automatically by the agent. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.